To add a what new pop-up to Wix. In order to do that, click on this plus icon right here, which is our elements option. From in there, head over to the layouts, and then go over it here to the light boxes. You can choose in here what kind of light box you want. For this case, let's choose in here this half page light box. Then after that, this should be able to be added into your actual website. So as you can see, the content right now is for the donation for saving the ocean. So if you want to actually customize it to be a what's new option, you can head over and then edit what the actual content right here says. So you can edit the heading as well as the pictures, the buttons, and the likes in order to actually showcase what's new onto your site since the last visit of the actual visitor. You can click on the elements added right there. And then, for example, for here, just change the text that has been added for this case. So that's how you create or add a What's New pop-up to Wix. Hope we help.